Your sister a kiss?
You gave her 5. That was nice.
Can you give your sister a kiss?
You showing her the train?
Yeah, that's Reneus. Can you pop up and give her a kiss again?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy will do it again. Choo choo, choo choo. Oh, are you done giving your sister love? Nolan. Yeah. Nolan.
Want a berry?
Grapes.
Oh yeah, they're sort of like grapes. They're blueberries. Want one? Oh, Mom will move those.
Oh, popping up.
Can you get up?
No.
Hi, Nolan. Yeah, Daddy's making a video.
What are you doing, you little wiggle worm?
Daddy's making a Nolan video so you can watch it later.
How fun.
Do you want to come and watch it now?
Or you want to do bouncing on Mom's foot? Bounce.
Bouncy. Oh, can you give your sister a kiss? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Sister says thank you. You say love you. You say love.
No.
You want to watch Nolan? Okay.